So buddy Richard here is always live streaming on Facebook.
Trying to promote my forge, Moonlight Forge, guys. Check it out.
But how often have you actually cooked on a forge?
Never. This is a first for me.
So we have actually cooked steaks today on this forge. So I got this recipe from Kosmo's Cube Barbecue. They're our YouTube channel, and it's, you marinate the steak in whiskey and these various ingredients for about an hour. But we're going to do two different types of whiskeys to see if we can tell a difference. We're here today, forging a knife with Moonlight Forge. It's a very special, unique knife. I think you guys are going to love it at the end of the show. But we have soy sauce, salt, Dijon, garlic, and black pepper, of course. And our two different types of whiskeys. And last but not least, some brown sugar, and of course, what would it be like without a little bit of butter? I mean, Paula Dean would not approve if we didn't have a little bit of butter. Which, by the way, she's got a YouTube channel. She's very active on YouTube. Anyways, we're going to put these steaks in different bags with these different types of whiskeys. See if we can tell the difference. And we appreciate the inspiration from Kosmos, and we're going to cook it on this forge behind us. It should be pretty awesome. See what happens. Stay tuned. Wildfire. So anyways, we're going to put these on the forge and cook them and see how they turn out, but I already know they're going to be good. We're going to see if we can tell the difference between them. Wildfire. Marinated in billet for about an hour with the ingredients that we listed in the description. We're about to throw it on the forge. Woo! So what we're going to do is we're going to do a sear on this steak, 4 minutes on each side. And we've already run through this one and it turned out phenomenal. Probably one of the top 5 steaks that I've ever had in my life. I think the cameraman would agree. He gives me a camera nod. Yep. And our other guest, Richard.
Great. It's great. Burgers, all kinds of
I think it's good. Nothing like, trying the steak, taking a shot real quick.
Yeah, I actually will.
Whoa, Nelly. I'll cut that part out. That's a pretty stout bourbon right there.
It is pretty stout.
This it definitely says my name is Bulleit. So we're gonna try out this billet. Marinated for an hour.
You can taste it. Wow, sugar in
We
there.
can't taste the billet.
A little bit. Not a whole lot. But then again, I just did take a shot, so
Yeah, it's kind of hard. Probably shouldn't have taken that shot, but
still good.
I'll tell you what though, I mean, it was awesome cooking something on this forge right here. I mean, I've only seen one other video like that. It's really good, but I mean, I can't really taste the billet. I mean, I taste a bourbon.
But you can't tell exactly what it is. You get that sweetness of the bourbon.
Well, my personal favorite is Woodford. So, to me, everybody tastes Woodford different, but it's probably one of the smoothest bourbons. I could definitely drink that on the rocks.
Yeah.
I mean, you can see it in my face.
Very smooth.
Cheers.
Buddy.
Now we didn't cook the Woodford as much. We kind of overcooked the billet, but
We got a little overzealous. Forge is only 2,000 degrees. It's kind of hard to control that,
yeah.
but it works.
And we did a couple trial runs, and we were close. I mean, we probably overcooked the billet by maybe a minute and a half.
Yeah, that's that minute.
Gosh knows, man.
It's hard to.
I can't tell the difference between the two.
I can't either. It's hard to say either one's better than the other at all.
Well, I say the Woodford's better just because
It's not as done, yeah.
you can see it's not as overcooked, but taste-wise, I can't tell the difference between the two.
Yeah. I mean, this is
But
more.
you get the bourbon in it,
Yep.
but you
that
can't.
sweetness.
Yeah, but you can't differentiate
Mm-mm.
which one's which. But I swear, y'all, from here on out, I'm gonna be marinating
And bourbon.
all my ribeyes with bourbon, probably for longer than an hour. It's some good stuff.
Yes. Juicy, tender. If we can do this on a forge, you can definitely do this on a grill. Jeez.
Yeah, we can do this in a forge where you pretty much make knives and
Get drunk and have a good time.
live action. Good shit. This is the kind of stuff he's gonna sauce me on. Mother, mom.
Mom.
Some soy sauce, salt.
Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Perfect.
Perfect.
Meat.
Try that again.
It's perfect, Stuart.
That was awesome.
Not perfect.
That was fucking awesome.
Hey, how about this? When you put them up, just tap them down.
Or kind of just put
You
them
could
in
probably
front
set them up here. You know.
like this.
Yeah.
That-